Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. So I am showing you guys my most favorite eyeliner. Why did I have a brain freeze there? I don't know. But this here, okay, so I did a review on this, and I absolutely, this is the Wet n Wild H2O proof. Okay, this freaking sucker is like my favorite. I've been using this over and over and grabbing. Now I did a tutorial on this not too long ago, and I told you guys I was really disappointed because the applicator, just look at the applicator. So here's the applicator, right? This sucker is like not flexible, and it's so like fat, you know, and I couldn't work with the applicator. So I got a tiny brush, and I'm going to show you guys up close. I'm going to zoom in like 2000% to my eye and show you how I apply it with this tiny brush. But let me just show you this. So it dries down to be like more of a matte finish, which I love that. But I have the most watery eyes in the whole freaking world, and all of my eyeliners come off except this one. And I'm going to put this to the test. So I am totally goth today. You guys see I have a like ton of eyeliner on, and I'm going to check in throughout the day and tell you guys whether it ran or not. If I get close up, you guys can see my makeup. It's very heavy. It's very goth. I just reviewed the Wet n Wild Goth collection that they came out with. But I'm going to show you guys and tell you whether it ran or not. It's very windy today, so my eyes should be watering quite a bit. So let's go ahead and get to that tutorial. And if you guys are curious on the check-ins, I will just go ahead and skip to the end of the video, and I will show you whether or not it lasted. Oh, and please hit that thumbs up button if you could. Okay, so I dipped my brush into the eyeliner, and this is how I apply it. And you guys are gonna see, like, this is just so, look at that, it just kind of glides right on. Now the lovely thing is, you see how I'm placing it on, and I'm actually placing on quite a bit of product, and you don't see it bleeding into any of my wrinkles. Like, you don't see it running up, and I can get all the way in that inner tear duct right there, like right super close. It's not running, and it's just staying put. With that applicator, I couldn't do this. With a brush, it just kind of like, look at that. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I think this H2O waterproof eyeliner is amazing. I hope you guys think this video was just as amazing, and I hope you hit that subscribe button, the tiny little bell next to it, and that thumbs up. I love that you guys watch my video, and I appreciate you guys being here. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower, and I scrubbed my eyes. I put soap on top of it, scrubbed my face, and look at that. It is still all in place. Isn't this crazy? So look at that. Like, look at that. Nothing. Maybe I'm touching, this is some shadow on the bottom, but look at the top. Like, wow. This is 11 hours later, so I'm going to remove this with some oil. But I just want to show you guys how waterproof this liquid eyeliner really is. This is by far the best formula. They just need to change the wand. But if you guys like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.